400 yamo pag kahit may pa ka ako. May bala ka. Ayaw mo na ako magbulansopan. Metong mo kasi para mag-end na ako. Steve! Mister, how are you? Hi, Mister! Welcome back! How are you, Mister? It's long time no see. Just visiting. Oh my God! Thank you for visiting. Thank you, Mister. I am good. Nothing's new. It's nothing's new. Grinding, 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 grinding every day. Super grind. But Bigo, it's not the same last month like that. Super tumal. Hendrik, hello. Thank you for visiting me again, still. Super matumal. I am still here grinding. Yes, be good. Yeah. Grinding, grinding every day. You know, I started streaming like, 4 a.m. Until now. But it's hard to reach first box. Nix, hello. How are you, Mr. Nobody? How have you been to? Buster, hello. Then, then it's, I am requesting a Dragon B for him, but did not want to send me. Hi, Amir. Randy, hello. You know, Mr. Nobody, I have something to tell you. Yesterday, I think, yeah, the account it's a dummy, but they comment here. He said to me like, you you ask money for Steve like that. Steve will give you cash parang they want to annoy me. Then I block him. Yeah, I don't know. Then I block him. They said your name. Then I don't know, it's a dummy. The sending diamond is 3K. Then someone said to me like, you grinding? Stop your life, then you I still will give you cash like that. I don't know why they said that. Then I blocked him. I did not notice the comment. When I read it, I block. This maybe I screenshot it. Because you said to me, did you delete your WhatsApp, right? I don't know. I think it's a dummy. They want to annoy me like that. I screenshot here. You don't talk forever. True. I screenshot it here in this cell phone. I don't know why they said that. Then I think like 5 months or 3 months like that. Did not talk to you, right? Then you quitting here in Vigo. Later, ay, then I am shocked because many months, yes. Yeah. Then someone told me like, Steve, your name, they said here in comment because um they see me like I am grinding every day. Then he said to me, they said to me like, Steve will give you a cash like that. I don't know why they said that.